Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with a product that's been making waves, the Orange Ninja 4-stage knife sharpener. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen game, stay tuned because this might just be the best Kitchen IQ sharpener out there. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets the Orange Ninja apart from the rest. With its innovative 4-stage system, this sharpener takes the guesswork out of knife sharpening. Whether you're dealing with straight blades, serrated edges, or anything in between, this sharpener has got you covered. First up, we have the coarse slot equipped with carbide blades. Perfect for straightening and repairing damaged blades, this stage sets the foundation for a razor-sharp edge. Then, we move on to the medium slot featuring diamond sharpening rods, ideal for honing your knives to perfection. Now, let's talk about ease of use. One of the standout features of the Orange Ninja is its ergonomic design, making it a breeze to use for both right and left-handed individuals. Simply place your blade in each slot and gently pull it through a few times for fast and effective sharpening. Just like that, you'll have a blade that's ready to tackle any kitchen task with ease. From chopping veggies to slicing meats, the Orange Ninja ensures that your knives are always in top-notch condition. Now, let's address durability. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this sharpener is built to last a lifetime. Unlike other manual sharpeners, the Orange Ninja is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring that you get the most bang for your buck. So there you have it, folks. The Orange Ninja 4-stage knife sharpener is not just a game-changer, it's a kitchen essential. With its innovative design, ease of use, and unmatched durability, it's no wonder why this product is making waves in the culinary world. Don't settle for dull knives any longer. Sharpen up with the Orange Ninja. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy sharpening!